Do you have carpet ripples and you're not sure if your carpet can be stretched because you have furniture in that room? That's actually what a lot of other people thought before calling me for an in-home estimate. All my estimates are free and there's no obligation or pressure to get the work done right away. My goal is to give you my honest opinion so you get the most life out of your carpet for years to come. For more information, you can call or text me at 916-312-7000 or schedule online at justsaygold.com and filling out the online contact form. I look forward to earning your business and look forward to answering any questions you may have on carpet stretching. This is Nick with Gold Coast Flooring. Have a great day, everyone.